Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Pambri A005 LED music bulb. This is basically a smart LED bulb that once you connect, you can then program it. Then you can control it using an app. This particular box comes with a remote control as well, and also a lot of other features. Let me just tell you what they are. It operates on 12 watts of power. LED power is 7 watt, RGB power is 5 watts, speaker power is 3 watts. It supports a Bluetooth wireless version 4.2 and has a range of 10 meters. LED light color white or warm white, and that's all the information we have here. I will open this and show you what's inside. So this is a set of instructions for the wireless bulb. It includes step to use this bulb, product notes, application pack. That's more or less it. And this is the bulb in question. Okay, there you go. There's a remote control that comes with this particular set as well. So this is what you use to control the bulb once it is involved and connected to a power source. Let's take a look at the bulb. This is what it looks like. This is an LED bulb, a smart LED bulb. This side is plastic and this is the bulb component. Also, this is the speaker. So this basically acts as a bulb and a music speaker as well. In order to power it on, you just have to connect it to any light bulb socket that you have at your home. It ideally has to be a 20 watt socket, or at least 12 watt socket in order to power this particular device. Unfortunately, I don't have such a socket right in front of me, so I can't show that to you. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Pambri A005 LED music bulb. Thank you for watching.